Rx8R testing. If you notice, this is the old faulty ignition. I don't know if you can see the spark there. It's on the reflashed firmware of the Rx8R. I'm currently running 5,300 RPM simulated through it. So technically, and take a look, the receiver, the ignition box is right under the receiver. So this is probably the worst case scenario here. And I still got a solid green light from the Rx8R, which is pretty darn good. Of course, you know. Yeah. Full control while the sparks are happening. So I don't know if you can see, but this spark is pretty strong. It's got multiple sparks. This spark here, okay, just started giving multiple sparks, but it's this side that's weaker and it's intermittent. So sometimes it's got good spark, sometimes it's got bad spark. So anyways,